What's the difference between Grip Clean and this soap that rhymes with Fawn soap? This Fawn dish detergent, it is a great cleaner, but is an alcohol and detergent-based cleaner. So when we put it in the water and stir it up, right, and now we'll take some Grip Clean, and we're also gonna put some in the water and stir it up. All right, so here we go. The biggest differences between the two is this one here works very well at stripping and removing oils and grease from your hands. Not gonna lie, it does work very well. The difference though, is you'll notice how it's clear like this. There's no added vitamins or minerals in this product to nourish your skin. So this over time will dry and crack out your skin. It's a cheaper product without added vitamins and minerals because when you're washing dishes and stuff like that, you don't want those vitamins in there as they will leave a soap scum behind. Now Grip Clean, check it out. This water is a lot cloudier and it is brown. Now if we waited over time, we'd see some separation here and you could see the oils, but why this is not clear is because this has coconut oil, olive oil, and bentonite clay in there, and those work very well at nourishing your skin and replenishing the vitamins in your hand. So while they both clean very well, this cleans and strips. This will clean and nourish at the same time. And not only that, if you check out underneath here, we have an abrasive sand. You see how the sand is collected on the bottom? This is actually finely ground up pumice sand like what you see here. And this gives you a little bit added scrubbing texture, so when you got grease and grime deeply embedded in your skin, it can scrub right out. So that is the differences between Fawn soap and Grip Clean. Thanks for checking it out.